submitted to this court the posts on social media.
Yes, yes.
This is you out here at BNX causing trouble. But yours is at the top, and then the ones on the bottom, on my way. We were there last week, 10 of us. Those are other people commenting on you being out there.
Yes, sir.
Now, Miss Campbell, you got a congregation, you got a choir out there.
I have no knowledge of this, and some of these posts disappear in 24 hours.
So Bradley being out there is the first time you all knew the kids were going to be out there.
Exactly. This is our very first time. And all of the damage that he has caused to our private property, actually, we need to be suing them for the damage that he did to our private property. Because he's a derelict. He's a juvenile delinquent.
Now, be careful about them names now.
But he is.
Be careful about names. We don't call names in here. How you know so much about Mr. Stone?
Okay, Mr. Stone.
She doesn't, Your Honor.
But I do.
She
Mr.
doesn't
Stone
know my
has
son.
been kicked out of 2 high schools. He has, don't look at me that way. He caused problems throughout the city. He raises havoc everywhere he goes. He is literally a menace to society.
I'm afraid to ask you, are you doing well in school? I usually ask high schoolers that. How you doing in school?
You know, school isn't my main focus.
Exactly.
It's not what I'm
He's not
worried
been
about.
challenged, Your Honor.
Well, regardless of what happens here today, school should be your focus from this day forward.
That's it.
Your Honor, may I please?
Sheriff Matt, will you retrieve the documents from Miss Campbell?
Yes, thank you. And you know what? We're here.
And what is this that you're handing to me? Oh, I see it now.
Exactly.
All right, it's your high school record. Talk to me, Bradley. Expelled is a big stamp. What are you doing, son?
So as we can see, I got an F in biology, meaning I don't know anything about electrical wiring.
Bradley, I gotta make a little note to you. Biology isn't really what's going on out here, okay? Son, you gotta do better regardless of what's happening here. This is the beginning of failure, and you deserve better than that. Tell me about your injuries. You got a patch on your face. You got your arm in a sling.
Well, the medical bills are steep, I must say. They're definitely high, and
you submitted $60,000, or at least your mom has, because she's got to bear this burden of $60,000 just for past medical. What happened to your face, Bradley?
I got second-degree burns up down my face and down the right side of my arm.
Okay, and what happened to your shoulder, or what's in the sling?
Broke my left arm, broke the clavicle, basically my shoulder.
This is your shoulder here on this x-ray?
Yep.
So, Miss Campbell, y'all say this is not your fault. This is all on him. Broken shoulder, burned, nearly killed. He just is a kid in the wrong place, and he's the author of his own fate. That sounds kind of cold.
Again, if he was not trespassing, none of this would have happened.
He wasn't trespassing.
Your Honor, with private property, if I came to your home and something happened to me, I would have been trespassing.
Anything
if I was not welcome to your home,
hold on for a minute.
That's trespassing.
In the law, not everything, some of the evidence comes from witnesses and documents. The court also can take what's called judicial notice. That is something like a law. I don't have to have somebody prove that to me. I can take notice that it exists. That's called judicial notice. I am taking judicial notice today of the trained standards that apply to maintenance of a car of this sort. And they read as follows. All systems and components on a locomotive shall be free of conditions that endanger the safety of the crew, locomotive, or train. They also say, importantly, high voltage equipment shall be in non-hazardous locations or equipped with guards to prevent personal injury. You all were doing the inspections and out there every 2 weeks. It sounds like you were trying to do what you were supposed to do.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, Ms. Stone, you are also suing for pain and suffering. You know, the biggest injury to any parent is an injury to their child.
Right.
How has this been for you caring for Bradley?
This has been the worst thing that I've been through. When I first saw him with the burns all over, I'd never seen him look so bad. And
Yes,
he was in so much pain. It's horrendous.
Well, folks, I think I've heard enough. I'm ready to render my decision.